What's up, guys? Got another 2021 tin here. Figure we'd open it up, see what we can pull today. Still missing a couple cards to try to complete the set. Here's the front of it. Got our 3 packs here. Alright, we got our 2021 tin of Ancient Battle Mega Packs. So, you have the back here, 18 cards in every pack, 1 Prismatic Secret, 2 Ultras, 2 Supers, and 1 Rare. The rest of them would be 12 commons there. So, we got some thick boys here we're opening. Open up, see what we can get. First up, we got Lantern Shark. Here's Magical Broker. Awakening of the Possessed Gigiobite. Here is Awakening of the Possessed Razanryu. We got Disposable Learner Device. Melfi Hide and Seek. We got Drytron Gamma Eltonin. We got Super Heavy Samurai Wagon. That's actually a cool looking secret there. We got, what is this? Celaglare, the Luminous Lunar Dragon. Here is Dark Beckoning Beast. We got Virtual World Zinzi Gigi, something like that. Then here's our SPEEDROID CARTURBO. We got Lifeless Leaffish, I don't know. Here's Witchcrafter Unveiling. Witchcrafter Patroness. Here is Linkerbell. Salmon Great Zebroid X. And final card here is Melfi Finney. So there you go, first pack there. We'll hit up the second one. Again, big card in the whole set is this cross-out designator. So, first up we got Curse of Dragon, the Cursed Dragon. Fury of Kairu Shin. We got Melfi Caddy. We got TAI Strike. Here's Melfi Puppy. Obsessive Uvaloop. For super here, we got Adamancipator Analyzer. Noctovision Dragon. Got Cross Sheep, here's our secret. Piercing the Darkness. Animadorned Archosaurus. I have no idea how to pronounce that. Our rare here, we got Raider's Wing. We got Marincess Basilema. Link Party. Melfi Ravi. Adamancipator Crystal Leonite. Infernity Doom Archfiend. And final card here is Deep Sea Artisan. So there you go, got our second pack taken care of. Final pack in the tin. Alright, here we go. Alright, first out we've got Squeak Knight. I like his little cheese piece there. Here is Dogmaticism. Indulge Dark Lord. We got Dark Lord Nergal. Speedroid Block and Roll. Goki Destroy Ogre. Here is Xyz Import as our super. Artillery Catapult Turtle. Here is the Fusion Deployment. Grave Digger's Trap Hole. Here is Adamancipator Researcher. Yeah, Sales Pitch. Deep Sea Prima Donna. Hyanzumi Hanabi. Proofiness, the Tactical Trapper. Got Link Burst. Blizzard. And final card here, we got Rock Band XENOGUITAR. So there you guys have it. There is our daily pack open for today. 3 packs here, 2021, 10 of Ancient Battles. I'll leave prices in the description below, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.